guys, we are here at No Butcher for the first time. Plant-based deli. Hey you guys, how are you doing? I know I'm knocking out, pushing out videos like crazy. Don't worry, it's all for you, love. Okay, so on the restaurant tier list today, we are knocking out No Butcher. No Butcher. It is a plant-based deli on eatery. I will show you what I have, darling. The customer service is so one-on-one. I loved it. The actual person who serviced me was the owner, and he was so nice. Ooh, look at their packaging. It's so fancy, and it's nice. It's a nice thick clear sticker too. So I got the Aloha no rib sandwich, and again, all of this is plant-based. Ooh, comes with a little cookie. I don't know if it really does, but that could be for the good thing that I did. And slaw. So we'll see what this tastes like. I'm already so excited. They had rosemary lemonade. I had to ask what was rosemary because I don't know. I couldn't remember what it was. You taste the rosemary. You do. And I've never had an instance where I had to taste rosemary. I think I've seen the actual plant before. Smart idea. Oh, I love it. It's kind of like that after effect you get from eating a Halls, like that soothing, relaxing, mama, hold me, hold me. That type of feeling. So far, so great. We are now going to open the Aloha no rib sandwich. Yes, I know the AC is pumping. Okay, you guys have no idea how hot it is out here. It's like, I love saunas, and this is not a sauna. Okay, there's no oh, no whoa. I love this sticker. I'm keeping this sticker, girl. I'm keeping the sticker, girl. It's giving professional for me. It's giving you want me to come back here as a regular customer. It's giving I care about my business. I make these stickers myself. That's what it's giving. So yeah, I like that or whatever. I might just, put it on the cup. Make me feel even fancier. Ooh, one more sip. That rosemary. It's giving 90s. That's what it's giving. Anyways, back to the rib. The Aloha no rib. Okay. We're opening, darling. We are opening. I was thinking of getting like a cold sandwich just because it's like a sauna outside, but I'm like, you know what? You gotta give the people what they want, not something they can just go and make in the kitchen. Ooh, okay. It's giving thick, it's giving juicy, it's giving healthy, it's giving, please take a bite of my delicious insides. You guys see that? Ooh. All right, you guys, let's dive in. Doing my best not to make a mess. Doing my best. Okay. Ooh, look, listen. I haven't gone anywhere within the past 2 months and got juicy red tomatoes like this. The other ones were pink or about to spoil, honey. This place is no joke. I love that they take such pride. See, this is why I like little shops. Ah. grab your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your cat, and your dog, and go to No Butcher. Because this, honey, oh, this makes me want to come back. And I know this is supposed to be like a one trial thing, but one, they drew me in with their customer service. I wasn't prepared for them to be so kind and so nice. This is so good, it makes no sense. You see the sauce? I can't hide that, baby. Ooh. Crunchy, juicy, and flavorful. This is the most flavorful thing I've had so far on our restaurant tier list adventure. Like, look at these juice. Everything is so fresh. Subway has nothing on No Butcher, okay? Jeez. Sheesh. Okay, I'm trying to take a bite. I don't want to block the view. Oh. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. I'm gonna find you and take it slowly. This is so juicy. This is so juicy, juicy. I've never eaten anything so far on the list that I felt like I didn't have to put away. This, I don't even want to put this away. I don't want to put it down. I don't want to take a break. It is so good. I just want to eat it all now. Oh, excuse me, guys. You guys have no idea how juicy this is. So flavorful. This is like, what did Kirk Franklin say? Like grandmama's cooking. Like, this tastes like it was marinated for 3 days, 3 nights. So good, so fresh, so juicy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm in love with this sandwich. I know rib sandwich from No Butcher. I love it. I'm in love with this sandwich. You guys, I'm gonna have to stop myself, cause you guys know daggone well I don't eat this much. Oh, I'm tearing up this meal in front of you guys. Look at the bread. This sandwich is giving. It's making me feel like I'm in New York. Like, I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega. That's what it's giving. It's making me feel, you know how they have that special bread If you've never lived in New York City, maybe you would get it. You get it, but if you only traveled, visited once or twice, you probably don't get it. But this bread, this is giving me bodega bread. Ooh, it's giving. Ooh, listen, I love this sandwich. Oh my gosh, I want to sing to this sandwich. Oh my gosh, why do I feel like I'm getting butterflies over a sandwich? It feels like my heart is skipping a beat in a good way, and like it makes me want to say like Jamie Foxx. Like, I don't know if you see Dreamers. This makes me feel like, oh my gosh, when I first saw you, I said, oh my. I said, oh my, that's my dream. That's my dream. Okay, let me stop. This, oh my gosh. I think this sandwich is giving me serotonin. Like, I literally feel it like going like this out of my chest. Oh, I feel joy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So my review, my ratings for the Aloha no rib sandwich. Oh my gosh. The best on this list so far. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in love. Oh my gosh. I want to slow dance with, I want to dance with somebody. I want to feel the heat. Like, oh, you guys think I'm crazy. You need to go to No Butcher. This is not sponsored. Nobody's in my pockets. I'm telling you, this is making me feel like I want to love again. And you guys know love is a dangerous thing. It's the most poisonous and toxic thing ever. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. I feel like, oh, just overwhelmed with joy. Anyways, guys, don't let me hold you up. We didn't even try everything. Okay, hold on. Before I let you guys go, let's take a quick bite and see what their cookie looks like. Ooh, girl, this is soft. This is soft. Hold on, girl. You hear it? You don't hear that, right? Because it's not crunchy. It's super duper soft. This is fresh. This was made within 2 hours. This wasn't left out since last night. Baby, this cookie. Let me show you guys again. What is in here that's making me fall in love? You see how it's bending? This is so soft. I don't even get soft cookies like this from the bakery. Wow. Okay. 20 out of 10 stars on the cookie. This is the slaw. I've been nervous to try slaw because, you know, with like no mayo and all the good stuff that you're not supposed to put in a slaw when you're vegan. So the slaw's okay, which is fine because I'm in love with the sandwich. So the sauce okay. It's not nasty. It's not bad. It's just okay. Well, if they switched it up and put like a squeeze of pineapple juice in there, that would have just had the whole Aloha thing going. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. We got to focus and get back to business. So I'm going to need to take this sticker back off if I can. Okay. No butcher. I don't even think we took I'll figure it out. I'll figure out how to do it. Woo! You guys, that was so good. I don't think we got a thumbnail, but I'm sure I'll create something. The food was so good. I couldn't help myself. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. Okay, guys. So if you have a no butcher near you, that's a N-O space B-U-T-C-H-E-R. They are absolutely delicious, absolutely fantastic. Flavor was there, booming, delicious, ooming and zooming. It's got me making up words because it's so delicious. They will also give you one of these cards if it's your first time. It's a plant-based deli card. Ooh, they gave me a little orange, a little tangerine. So, oh my gosh. This was supposed to be a one-stop shop, but this was so delicious. I have to try this again. You guys, try No Butcher. Let me know. Let me know. I don't care if it's 2 videos from now. Let me know what you tried and how it tasted. Like, this should be the poster boy for plant-based things. Like, so delicious. So delicious. So delicious. Thank you guys for watching me fall in love again with food. So amazing, so good. If you've been considering trying plant-based items, you don't have to just jump all the way in. Try taking away 2 animals to start with. What are 2 animals that you barely eat, or that one you do eat a lot and one you don't really eat a lot? Let's say turkey, you only eat that on Thanksgiving or whatever if you celebrate. And then another core one could be like cow or chicken or pork. One of those 3, cow, chicken, or pork, and knock that out too. And then it'll be easier for you to evolve, rather than just going vegan straight or going vegetarian straight or going pescatarian straight. It is a process. But I thank you guys so much for watching. This food was beyond delicious. I am so happy I started doing YouTube and staying focused, and I love that I'm pushing out videos non-stop. I can't wait to chat with you guys again. I'll talk to you later. Bye.